Hi, I am doing a review of EdgeStart thermoelectric wine cooler. We placed an order 2 days ago, and here's the order arrived, and we unpack, and then we going to assemble the door handle. And the cooler, it looked very appealing, and the operation is very quiet. And the minimum storage temperature is 46 Fahrenheit degree Fahrenheit, and the max is 66-degree Fahrenheit. And the dimension is 32.25 high by 20.06 width by 20.69 depth. And the digital temperature display, it's very great. It's easy to view and adjust temperature. And the rack itself, it's a metal rack. It's easy to slide in, slide out, and clean. And the blue LED interior light, it look very elegant. It make the wine cooler case itself very appealing, very attracting. And I had it for one over a month now. Seems like working very well. As I said, it's a very quiet. Um, Here I can. It has the 14 shelf, and it can accommodate 32 bottle, and it has a dual zone, so you can set your red wine in one zone and then your white wine in another zone with different temperature. And I like it a lot, and I ordered online, and the price is $400 plus a sales tax, and it's very good. It's a very good. It was on sale though, uh, from overstock.com, and during that time they had a when I placed an order, it has another 16 more hours before it's over. So we placed an order within 2 days. We got it, and it looks great. And it's very quiet. You can hardly hear it. You have to. Sometimes I had to put my ear close to it just to listen if it's working. But it's working, and it's cool, and it's very nice. So I give it thumbs up for this product. So if you have question, put it in comment. I will respond to your question. Thank you for watching, and you have a great day.